Hey, what's up guys? Ryan here from ExtremeTerrain, and today I'm here with the GraBar front handles fitting your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now this is going to be for those of you Jeep owners that are looking to just gain some ease of access into your Wrangler, whether it be stock or lifted, and you just want a very sturdy handle that's going to provide you plenty of grip when you're climbing up in. Now these are great for grabbing on, hopping up into your vehicle, or if you're just looking for some stability while you're bouncing around on a trail. Now there are a couple options to go with. As far as grab handles go, you always have the typical wrap around the roll bar ones, and then you have these solid ones. Now some of you are going to be a little bit partial to that solid, sturdy feeling, that security of having a nice, firm, mounted grip. Some of you are going to cater to that softer feel, that adjustability, being able to slide it back and forth, and it really comes down to exactly what you want and what you're looking to spend. Now the roll bar mounted fabric straps are going to cost you a lot less than a set of steel handles. However, it really comes down to exactly what you're looking for and what your budget is going to allow you to purchase. Now these are made of a solid bar steel, 3/4 inch thick, and honestly I think that they're a little overbuilt for what they are. They're very solid, they mount directly to the roll bar, and they're a very easy installation. As far as the installation goes, I'm going to give them a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You should get both of these installed in about 15 minutes, and you can do all this just using basic hand tools. Now all of these bars are going to come with a black powder coating, which is going to provide plenty of corrosion protection for them, and they all come with a black grip. Now if you're not a fan of the black grip, we do offer different colors in the aftermarket, and you can find those on our website. Overall, I think for a solid mount that's made out of some heavy duty steel, is an American made product, fits very well, comes with some really good grade 12 hardware. I think that it's a great option to go with, and if, like I said, if you have the money to spend, if you're looking for that sturdiness, that security, that type of feel, then this is a great option to go with. So with that being said, let's hop into our install. Tools we use for this install: 3/8 drive impact, 13mm socket, 6mm Allen, and 3/8 drive ratchet. These things are relatively easy to install. We have a bolt up here in the corner of the windshield and a bolt right here that we need to take out. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take this overhead bolt out. So we're going to use a 13mm socket, and these have a little bit of Loctite on them, so they're pretty tough to get out. I'm going to use an impact. After we get that bolt out, we'll get this other bolt out. Now the other bolt is a little tricky because there's an open hole down here in this plastic piece. So we don't want that bolt to fall down, because then we have to take all of this off to get that bolt out. So what you can do is take a rag or something, and you can shove that in that hole just like that, and hopefully that'll stop that from falling down. So same thing. I'm going to use a 13mm socket. Looks like that stayed in the socket, so that's pretty lucky. Now the next thing that we're going to do is take our handle and install our handle. So you're going to get 2 long bolts. One is going to be significantly longer than the other one, and you're also going to have these little shouldered sleeves as well. So we're going to start with the top. The shorter bolt's going to go up top. We're going to place that sleeve on there, and then we're going to screw it back into that factory hole. So we want to line that up, get that started. So once we get that top one started, we're going to install the long one. Now the long one's going to go on the side, so we're going to put that sleeve in there, swing it out of the way, put that bolt through, and we'll get that bolt started. So once you get both of these bolts started, we're going to take a 6mm Allen key and we're going to tighten them up. Alright, so once you get this one on, you can do the same exact thing to get the other side in. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for my review and install. For more videos and products like this, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.